Okay, so my name is Tico. You can find me online at tico.gg. That's the website where you can find all of my information and my company's information as well. So I'm here representing Ephere Football, and I'm really glad and really thankful for this opportunity. Thank you, Livepeer, and thank you, the Web3 App Summit. We are trying to transform gaming, in particular football gaming, for everybody around the world, and especially our Latino communities. Why? We are underserved, we are underseen, and a lot of people here lack economic advancement opportunities, and we're trying to bring this through gaming. So the first thing that you need to know about Ephere Football is it's founded by myself and Agustin Rodriguez, an amazing developer out of Uruguay. Half of our team comes from Argentina, half of our team comes from Uruguay. I'm the only one soloing it here in Colombia. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you're enjoying our beautiful country. I hope you're enjoying our food and having so much fun at DEF CON. So, Ephere Football was born with that idea in mind. We can empower people through gaming. And we're doing this by transforming ownership, flipping it on its head. And so, basically teaching people that owning a game is different from buying a license. So if you buy a license from FIFA or whatever football game you need, you're not owning anything of that. And whenever they change the meta, they screw you over. You need to build new assets. Here in Ephere Football, all of the assets are yours. And 90% of the game is NFT assets. The players, the stadiums, tactics, balls, equipment, anything and everything that you can think imposes a football game or a football league or a football ownership experience. You do not need to be Roman Abramovich and have thousands of millions of dollars to own Chelsea or a club. You can do it online with NFTs on Web3. We are trying to bring this experience fully on-chain, which is super challenging, but we're making big strides at it. We've been very, very lucky to have been accelerated by Tachyon. I want to give him a big shout out. Gabe Anderson and the whole team there, Sean Shang, who's around here too, the people at Protocol Labs. They have believed in us, which is really important for Latin American companies. If you go through any program, accelerating companies, you will see a lot of American companies, European, Indian companies, Asian companies, but Latin America is underrepresented there as well. So we're building something from Latin America, for Latin America, and then the rest of the world. I want to invite you warmly to come join us and transform the future of gaming, because it's not just a football simulation management game that we're building. We're building an amazing community of people who's getting educated on finance, on crypto, on Web3, on NFT, on empowerment, on ownership, and all of these through gaming, through a very nurturing community that keeps on growing every day. We're almost 2,200 on Discord right now, almost 5,000 and change on Twitter. And I don't know, like last night we had a very revealing experience on Discord. Somebody was thinking about ending their life, unfortunately, and the first place that they reached out for help was our Discord server. Fortunately, our head of community is also a psychologist. She was able to, diffuse the situation, and it's a very enriching opportunity for us to connect with people all over the continent and realize how much we need this connection as well, through something that somebody and everybody loves here in the continent, which is football, soccer, as they call it in many other places of the world. It's amazing for us to create a product that is able to give birth to a community of people that do not want to shit on each other, that do not want to insult each other in Discord, but instead help each other grow. We're super proud about our super users, which is amazing as well. People have been playing our game for a little bit over 8 months now, since we started building in public. And we have super users that are able to play over 13,000 matches since then. So you can see, this is a 3-minute match that you're playing, no real economic incentive yet. And people play upwards of 3 hours per day when they're a super user. That's amazing. We have just crossed the barrier of the 100,000 games simulated, which is another big milestone. And finally, just to wrap it up, our stats are, hockey sticking all the time. It's amazing to see people engaging more, giving us more suggestions. And for them, it's also really comforting to know that we are not working just out of a roadmap and a white paper and a bunch of promises. They see a team of people whom they can reach over Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, or even phone number, because they have our phone numbers in the community, and they see us delivering week after week, because we have weekly update schedules for the app and for everything that we do. So they see a reality. No rug pulls, just good vibes, and a great app with great technology built around the thing that we love the most, which is football and gaming. So I invite you all to come join us, Ephere.football, just like in my shirt. Please come and strike a conversation with me if you want to. I'll be glad to talk about this or anything else during this event. Thank you so much. It's been an honor. I'll see you soon.